AI quick tip: streamline project management with your AI assistant. Ever feel like your projects are running you rather than the other way around? Here's the good news: you don't have to do it all manually anymore. Let's talk about how AI tools can completely transform your project management game. Picture this: you're juggling deadlines, coordinating teams, and trying to keep track of endless updates. Instead of drowning in chaos, imagine an AI-powered system doing the heavy lifting for you. Here are 3 practical ways AI tools can simplify your workflow right now. Stick around because number 3 might just blow your mind. First up, automation. Tools like Trello or Monday.com use AI to automatically prioritize and assign tasks. No more wasting time deciding who does what. Your AI assistants got it covered. Next, let's talk predictive analytics. AI platforms like ClickUp analyze project data and flag potential delays before they happen. It's like having a crystal ball for your deadlines. Finally, have you met AI tools like Otter.ai or Notion? They will auto-summarize meetings, capture action points, and send them straight to your team. No more digging through hours of recordings. It's instant clarity. From task automation to predictive analytics to effortless collaboration, these tools are changing how we work, saving time, reducing stress, and boosting results. So, what's your favorite AI tool for project management? Share it in the comments below. We can't wait to see what you've been using. Ready to level up your project management game with AI? Check out the resources in this video description below. And remember to like and subscribe for more of the latest tips and tools.